30-day success plan.
Hello, my friend. Have you ever looked at successful people and wondered, how did they do it? How did they become so focused, so motivated, and so disciplined? The truth is, most of them didn't start with a big advantage. They started with a plan, a clear path, followed with daily commitment. In this video, I will guide you through a powerful 30-day success plan, step by step, day by day. This is not just advice, it's a system that you can follow to transform your mindset, habits, and results. So grab a notebook, find a quiet place, and let's begin this journey together. Because 30 days from now, you won't be the same person. Let's start with Chapter 1. Chapter 1. Build the right mindset. Success begins in the mind. Your thoughts shape your actions, and your actions shape your future. In the first few days, your focus is simple. Develop a growth mindset. That means you believe you can change, learn, and grow. Here's how. Write down 3 things you want to change in your life. Read something inspiring every day, even if it's just for 10 minutes. Practice saying this sentence. I am not there yet, but I am getting better every day. Your goal for these first days is to remove the old voice in your head that says, I can't, and replace it with, I'm trying and I will succeed. This is your new foundation. Chapter 2. Set clear, real goals. Now that your mind is ready, it's time to focus on what you truly want. A dream without a plan is just a wish. So now, we must turn your dreams into goals. Here's what to do. Write down your main goal for the next 30 days. Make it clear. For example, I want to wake up at 6 a.m. every day, or I want to read 1 book this month. Break it into small steps. If your goal is to write a book, start with writing 200 words a day. Don't aim for perfection, aim for progress. Success comes from doing the small things. Daily. Chapter 3. Design a powerful morning routine. Winners own the morning. Your success plan needs a morning routine that gives you energy, focus, and motivation. Here's one you can try. Wake up early, same time every day. Drink a glass of water. Do 5 to 10 minutes of stretching or exercise. Spend 10 minutes in silence, praying, meditating, or just breathing. Read something motivational. Why does this work? Because it puts you in control of your day. Remember, your morning sets the tone for everything that follows. Chapter 4. Practice discipline through small wins. Now it's time to build discipline. Not by doing hard things all day, but by doing small things consistently. Choose 3 simple habits. Make your bed, drink enough water, avoid using your phone first thing in the morning. Every time you complete one, mark it off in a notebook or calendar. You'll feel stronger, more in control, because these small wins build big confidence. Discipline is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Chapter 5. Learn something new. Every day, learning is part of growing, and successful people are always learning. This week, add this rule. Every day, learn 1 new thing. It could be a new English word, a motivational quote, a short video or podcast about personal growth. Write down what you learned and how it can help you in your life. In just 30 days, you will know 30 new things. Imagine the difference that can make. Chapter 6. Remove 1 bad habit. Success is not only about what you do, it's also about what you stop doing. Ask yourself, what's 1 habit that is wasting my time? What's 1 thing that is slowing me down? Maybe it's watching too much TV, or staying up too late, or negative self-talk. For this week, choose 1 habit to replace with a better one. For example, if you spend 30 minutes scrolling social media,
Use that time to read or walk. Each day, write how you feel. You'll be surprised how strong and free you begin to feel.
Chapter 7. Surround yourself with positivity. You become like the people you spend time with. So now, it's time to protect your energy and your environment. Here's how. Avoid negative people who always complain. Follow inspiring YouTube channels or podcasts. Keep a daily gratitude list. Write 3 things you're thankful for. Positivity is powerful. It lifts your spirit and gives you the strength to keep going. Even if you're alone, you can fill your space with good thoughts, music, and learning. Chapter 8. Track your progress. One of the secrets to long-term success is tracking. Why? Because when you see progress, you feel motivated to continue. Every night, write what you did today, what you learned, how you feel. You can use a notebook, an app, or a simple calendar. Even a smiley face on each successful day is powerful. You are writing the story of your transformation, 1 page at a time. Chapter 9. Stay focused and avoid distractions. You will face distractions. That's part of life. But now you have a plan. So when distractions come, remind yourself, this is not part of my 30-day mission. I can say no to things that don't help me grow. Use a timer. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. This is called the Pomodoro technique. The more focused time you give your goals, the faster you will see results. Stay committed. Stay strong. Chapter 10. Celebrate and reflect. You did it. You followed your success plan for 30 days. Now take time to reflect. What did you learn about yourself? What habits did you build? What changed in your mindset, your actions, your life? Even if you missed a few days, that's okay. You stayed in the game. That's what matters. Now celebrate. Write a letter to your future self. Take yourself out for a treat. Share your journey with someone and ask yourself, what's next? Because this is just the beginning. My friend, you have completed your 30-day success plan. And now, you know something very important. Success is not a secret. It's a daily practice. You don't need to wait for the perfect time. You don't need permission from anyone. You just need a plan and the courage to follow it. So go forward, stronger, wiser, and more focused. And remember, every day is a new chance to grow.